Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery, another cake recipe to add to your favorites list, classic bakery style yellow cake. I've already showed you the chocolate version of this easy cake, and don't forget the truly white cake version. So it's only natural to finish off this list of perfect bakery style cake recipes with a perfect yellow cake recipe, iced with another bakery recipe of fudge icing. You are going to love how easy this is. It's a one bowl mix and you're going to throw all your dry ingredients in there together, including the sugar. The recipe ingredients are listed out as usual on my website at gretchensveganbakery.com, so be sure to grab the written printable version. In a small sauce pot, I am melting the vegan butter with the coconut oil, but you can use any vegetable oil that you prefer. And in another bowl goes the soy milk, vinegar, and vanilla extract. Now, I do like to use soy milk for my cakes because it is the only plant milk that will thicken up like buttermilk when you add the vinegar. But if you are staying away from soy, you can absolutely use any other plant milk that you prefer. Now all you have to do is combine all those liquids with the dry ingredients and whisk it smooth. How easy is that? Pour it into your prepared pan, and I am using a 9" by 13" today for a 1-layer sheet cake, but you can use round pans or even turn these into cupcakes. Truly a perfect cake recipe. Once it is baked and cooled, you can add your choice of icing, and I do love a classic yellow cake with fudge icing, and this recipe for fudge icing is a total win. These recipes don't contain any weird ingredients that are hard to find, so I bet you already have everything to make this cake and you won't even have to leave the house. So go grab the recipes at gretchensveganbakery.com. The links are below this video in the box. A real quick shout out to my awesome patrons on Patreon and PayPal pals who are making it all possible for me to continue sharing my recipes for free. If you think you can help for as little as a cup of coffee a month, click the links below to find out more. Thanks to everyone, as always, for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos, and especially for commenting. I love reading all your comments, so keep them coming. And stay tuned for what's next. All the best bakes are coming out of Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. So until next time, happy vegan baking, guys. See you soon.